This is the Creality Falcon 2 Pro 22 watt laser engraving machine. Now as you can see, it comes with a cool enclosure that'll keep all the fumes and vapors out of your space. This 22 watt laser can cut through up to 15 millimeters of wood in one pass, and it can cut a variety of materials such as wood, stainless steel, acrylic, plywood, leather, and other hard density materials. Now the Falcon Pro 2 is nothing short of amazing, guys. I got this thing a few weeks ago and it's my first laser engraver, and honestly, I've been blown away at its crazy speeds. I mean, the speeds that this thing can do what it does at is just, honestly, it's crazy. Another really cool feature of the Falcon 2 Pro is it has a built-in camera. Now what that means is you're going to be able to use this camera in the laser software to basically take an image overlay of whatever material you're about to engrave or cut, and basically whatever file you're about to engrave or cut, you can basically overlay it on the material inside your laser, and it's going to actually perform whatever function, cut, engrave, whatever you're about to do. It's going to perform that function right where you put it on the image in your laser software. So for me, that's huge, because being a new laser user, I always worried about how I'm gonna line up the laser to make it actually cut or engrave where I want it to. Well, with the camera that Creality has built into this Falcon 2, you don't have to worry about it anymore. You can, as long as you have your camera calibrated and it's calibrated correctly, that laser is going to perform that function right where you place the image inside the laser software. So no more worrying about, is it lined up? The camera is actually a lifesaver for beginner laser users. I can tell you that. It helped me out a lot. It helped me line up my prints and get them going without having to worry. So I know you'll really appreciate the camera feature. Now, besides it being able to laser and engrave super fast, despite the fact that it has a really nice enclosure to keep you safe, it also has several sensors on the laser head that will also keep you safe and keep your machine running on a day-to-day basis. One of those sensors being the airflow monitoring system. So the laser head has an airflow detection sensor that'll let you know if your airflow is adequate or if it's there at all. It also has a fire detection sensor, and that's probably the most important one of all. That's the one that'll keep your house from burning down. Now, I never recommend leaving your laser unattended, but this is an added safeguard just in case. So I mentioned 3 sensors, and that was only 2. So the third one is the lens monitoring system. So it also has a sensor that'll let you know if you need to clean the lens or not. Now, having that lens monitoring feature that lets you know when to clean your lens or not is actually a really huge deal, because that's going to cut down on replacement parts and you actually breaking your machine from not having a clean lens or getting a good focus laser cut because your lens is dirty and it can't focus properly. So if you noticed, I mentioned airflow detection, which means the Creality Falcon 2 Pro comes with air assist. A lot of lasers on the market don't come with air assist. You have to purchase it separately. The Falcon 2 Pro actually comes with it, and it has a built-in potentiometer on the left side of the machine that allows you to control your airflow right on the side of the machine. Now, as you can see, the Creality Falcon 2 Pro, it actually comes almost fully assembled. There's really not a lot of assembly required, and there's definitely not much tool required. You basically need to assemble the top, put it on the frame of the laser, and then attach the laser head and a couple of hoses, and you're up and ready to be laser cutting and engraving in probably less than 20 minutes. Now, one of the coolest things that I found after getting this laser, because actually it is my first laser, I've never had a laser before, because I never really knew which one to get. There's so many lasers to get. There's a 5 watt, there's a 10 watt, there's a 22, a 40, a 60, and so on and so forth. There's diode lasers, there's fiber lasers. I mean, there's all kinds of lasers. But I can tell you the Creality Falcon 2 Pro is actually one of the few lasers that's basically an all-around laser. You could do a little bit of wood engraving, you can do wood cutting, you can do metal engraving, you can do some metal cutting. Now, if you're gonna do some heavy metal cutting, this is not gonna be the laser. You're gonna need something a lot more beefier, which Creality has that too. Now, for your basic DIY stuff that you want to do at home, this laser can handle it with ease, no problem. And it can even handle production. So you can load the laser software with numerous of items and have it go through there and one by one complete those tasks. No problem. Now, although this isn't an in-depth review of the Falcon 2 Pro, this is just my general assessment of the machine after having it a few weeks. I can tell you it is a really good all-around laser, and I really don't think you can beat it price point and functionality on the market as far as I'm concerned and what I've searched on the internet. Now, there might be some lasers out there that do beat it in certain areas, but for an all-around laser at the price that you can get it at, man, it's hard to beat. And if you already own a 3D printer like I do, then the possibilities are endless on what you can do. Having a laser engraver and cutting machine along with 3D printers, now I'm pretty sure you can see how things can get pretty crazy pretty quickly. Now, with Christmas coming up, it is a prime time to hop on this laser deal. So there's going to be a link in the description that you can actually go get this laser at a discount. So you don't want to miss out on that. If you're thinking about getting a laser, go check out the Creality Falcon 2 Pro, check out the link in the description, and don't miss the savings. And let me know what you end up getting in the comments. Hey guys, so I started a Patreon page just for the Stay Ready to 3D print community. So if you're a part of the Stay Ready community and you want to take it a step further and have access to my STL files and automatically be entered into any giveaway that we do, and will automatically notify you so you don't have to worry about missing a giveaway. If we do a giveaway and you're a member, then you'll automatically be entered and we'll notify you. You don't have to worry. And that's even for free members. Now, if you're a paid member, that comes with added benefit. And we offer Creality 3D printing support. So if you have a 3D printer that is a Creality machine, you can hop on either a bronze, silver, or gold tier. And each one of those tiers offers a different level of support. So you can go on there, check it out, see what fits you best. And if nothing fits you, then just join as a free member and at least you'll be entered in our free giveaways. No problem. Stay tuned for some cool 3D printing videos with the K2 Plus back there, as you can see, and some more laser cutting and engraving videos coming up, because the more time I have with this machine, the more cool stuff I'm gonna do and share with you guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, stay ready to 3D print. We'll see you next time.